I'm Mike Dudley. I'm the General Manager of Globe Trading Services based in Oldham. We recycle plastics. We also recycle cardboard. We take in rubbish, recycled materials for recycling. The materials are then processed, sold on into the remanufacturing elements of industry. It's my belief that no commercial entity really can be without a useful, meaningful security system in today's environment. That's just the nature of the business or any business that you're in. We needed a security system to protect the business. The consequences of a forced intrusion into the building could be substantial, not only in terms of obviously damage to the building premises, its disruption in terms of anything that could be removed from the building, interruptions to production, the whole thing. Delays can be massively expensive. iSecurity had lengthy discussions with us about what we had, what the business is about, what it needs in terms of security, what levels we would consider going to. I understood fully what they were talking about. It was all not super tech, this, that and the other. So it made the decision quite easy to go with them. We are a growing company, and as a result of that, we are continually evolving in terms of our requirements from the security side. Since iSecurity have been involved, we've probably doubled the amount of in-house surveillance that we have. Likewise, improved the exterior, and it has proved quite satisfactory. Health and safety is a massive factor. By having an expanded video surveillance system, we can see what's going on in the factory, anywhere in the factory, at any time. It's worked from a health and safety point of view, it's worked from a staff monitoring point of view, it's helped us to improve our processes. If you want to discuss any enhancements or anything like that at all, or any thoughts, they're always available on the end of the phone, and you have a meaningful conversation each time. You don't get delayed or put off. The service overall, I would rate as 100%, and I'm not a person that gives away those kind of endorsements easily. It's not an area that I need to be concerned about or worry about at all. Their reaction times to phone calls are excellent. It's not a sigh at the other end of the phone or trying to make things difficult. The response time is unmatched. I cannot give any more of an endorsement than that, really.